Using background on Google Meet on the phone is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you and guiding you exactly how you guys can do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So simply go ahead on the Google Chrome and go to the Play Store, and in the Play Store simply search Google Meet and make sure that you install the application and then click on open. Then what you have to do is to create a meeting or join one. So once you have created one, simply go ahead and join it. Once you will click on that, you will be able to see your face. And once you click on the background option, you'll be able to clear the background, blur the background. And if you want to add a background, simply swipe the screen to the right side and you will be able to do it. So this is how you can change the background of your image. So this is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful.